AI. Now, the first method is actually quite simple. Build an AI lead generation system for yourself or for other businesses. The fastest way to make money right now with AI is lead generation, but not the spammy version. Forget cold buying email lists, forget cold blasting customers. Modern lead generation is about finding people who are already about to spend money. Here's an example. When a company posts a request for proposal, they're literally saying, we have a budget of $20,000. We need help with something, so pitch us an offer. Do you guys want to see one? Let me show you some that I found with AI. So here's a website that we currently found using AI automation. Now here you'll see that they are requesting for someone to help design their websites, and their budget ranges from about 30,000 euros, which is about 35,000 K. Now here you'll see they want you to use WordPress, they want you to use WooCommerce, and these are like simple things anybody can do. But the thing is, you probably even never heard about this website. I myself, I did not either, but we've developed an AI workflow that pulls all this information from the internet and it places in a Google Sheets or an Excel spreadsheet. Another website that we found was this one right here. Another website you probably never heard about, Central Coast Community Energy, and it is an organization. And you're gonna see that they are offering a request for proposal. And here it is. So they are requesting people to design their websites, hosting, maintenance, and support services. And you'll see right now the release date was December 18th, 2025. And the proposal deadline was the 21st of next year. So as of right now, this is open for bids and anyone can bid on this job. Another one that we found, this one wasn't worth that much money, but it was worth about $5,000, you know? So they're offering about $25,000 to $5,000 for a web design overhaul. And this is the workflow that we designed in order to scrape leads to the internet. Now, to be honest, this is really not even a complex workflow. Anyone out here can make this. And essentially what we did was we have this formula here where every 2 hours we're fetching stuff throughout the internet, we're scraping information, and we're looking for keywords like request for proposal, web design, leads, and something else. Now, if you are in any sort of niche, if you are in restaurants or if you are in the dog industry, you know, pet grooming, you can make the same exact workflow for any type of niche. So it doesn't have to be for web design. It could be for anything to find jobs. Now, in case you want to know how we made this, we actually made this with N8N. So N8N is an automation platform where essentially you can automate tasks and everything else. If you want to learn more about this, I have a free tutorial in the video description that'll walk you through how to use N8N. It's not that difficult. It does take some time to learn. Now, if you want to learn a lot more about N8N, we actually have a school dedicated that will teach people how to use N8N. And we have a very large classroom. We have about like 60 or 70 courses. And for those of you watching it thinking, oh, you're just trying to sell something, guys, the school is only like $29. It is like dirt cheap. So yeah, you're getting a lot of value. AI automation reads job post boards, Reddit posts, requests for proposals, and public listings from government jobs. Automation tools like N8N collect those posts, filter out all the junk, and then compiles a list of companies right now that are actively hiring and looking for help. And here's the thing, businesses love warm leads. In fact, if you find one job using this system, everything's already paid for itself. So like I mentioned before, you can either take these leads and participate in the jobs yourself, or you can actually sell these leads to customers who are